money, Daddy.
What up, what up, what up? It's OD back with another one. And today I got some accessories for the RedMagic 5G. So I got a case and I had got the controller here that connects to the phone. Because this is a gaming phone, so we need the accessories to game out. So with the case, let me see here. Got a little tab. There's my knife. So there's the case. There's the gaming case. It's not really too much protection, I guess, for the back part really, and the sides. Nothing else came with that. And then we have the controller here. Let's see, so it opens from the bottom. So on the controller, comes with some accessories, and there's only one side, so it's not double-sided. This is only one side, so it's not gonna be like a switch or anything. Has some glue at the bottom, and this is the controller. So I'm guessing that it has a little connector right there. I guess it slides on. It's one of the sides of the phone, and boom, you can play. So let's get the phone. Let's see how it connects up. So there's the phone, and we're gonna try to line everything up. So the case will go something like this. I'm guessing it'll slide in there. Let's see, do it this way. Slide in there, boom. So it'll look like this. So it doesn't block the LEDs right here, the RGBs. And then I'm guessing the controller goes somewhere on the side here. See, these are buttons up top, buttons on the bottom. Okay. So I'm guessing it goes a little something like this on the side. It's not sliding in like I thought it would. Probably missed something. Well, it does have left trigger here and left bumper, right trigger. So I don't know how that would play out. I'm trying to play it. Analog stick feels alright. Got the buttons here. Feel good. Just really trying to figure out how to put this thing on, huh? Ah, there it goes. Slide down. Okay. So boom. Seems like we got connectivity like that. Alright. And you just play like that. So you'll be hitting the buttons here, analog, to move your character around. So let me get a couple of games set up and see how this thing functions. You know what I'm looking for, some Fortnite. I'll be right back. Give me a minute. Alright, I'm back. Got it all set up. Playing around with it for a little bit. I had a problem getting it to work for a minute because you have to go into the developer mode and turn off USB debugging. Okay, so if your Fortnite is not working and you get this phone, that's one of the things you have to turn off. That was conflicting with the game, and the game kept crashing. So now that I got that off, I connected the controller by USB. It has a little switch at the bottom here, and you just flick that on to turn it on, and then this light right here, this button is the sync button, and then you connect to the USB. So feels nice and smooth. It's flowing. Got this dude right here. Oh, that's one of my homies. My bad. Alright. So what I did was I left the touch on so that way I could jump around. And this is for the on the go. Alright, so if you got somewhere where you're sitting up and you can pull out a controller, it does work with the Xbox controller. So you'll be able to do that as well. So if you're going to play some Fortnite real quick, this thing works. Now, as you see on the screen, because it kind of like curves a little bit around, everything's not on the screen perfectly. So I don't know if you can see that there. It's like it's the edge is a little blocked off right here in the bottom, right here in the map. So that's something to take in consideration too. I'm pretty sure you can adjust all of that as well, but just want to let you know. One of the buttons work here because of the configurations. So basically, you could probably change the configuration of buttons. I'm pretty sure you can, especially in the game mode. But like I said, I just got it, so I'm gonna test it out a little bit, and probably make another video. But if not, if it malfunctions, or if I have any problems, I'm definitely gonna let you know about that. If you have any questions, you know what to do. Holler at me. I'm here. I'm always on top. You know what I mean? So just let me know. So I'm gonna enjoy this little Fortnite for a little bit. Turn it up a little bit. Oh, got somebody right there. Put my health in. Ooh. Yeah, so I see that's gonna be one of the hardest things. Trying to adjust the screen and also shoot. Might have to switch it around. But I see that this thing right here, the controller, is versatile, works on both sides. And that's why I bought the kit with the case, so I can have it on the phone. You can buy the controller separately. I am wondering if I buy two of them, could I have one on each side? I might have to look into that. But everything going on, you know, shipping takes a while for it to get here. This is the 12 gig phone with the 256 storage. And it's running good. It's running real good. It's running just like it would run on my Note. And they say this is more powerful than the Note. So the visuals look real good. I'm liking it. And the fans do keep the phone cool. They kick in high gear whenever you need them. And like I say, you can flick the switch and turn it to game mode, and that keeps the fans running real high. But the graphics look so good right now, honestly. The volume is one of the things that I'm trying to figure out to turn up. It's not that loud. Let me look into this. Let's see here. There we go. There we go right there. Go meet up with one of the homies. like the graphics. It's good. Testing 1, 2. Who out there, man? Trying to test out the mic, see if anybody responds. More guns. Put that shield on real quick. Uh-oh, somebody here. Alright, let me get up out of here before they run up on me. Woo! Alright. Damn. Coming from all around. Woo, boy. Keep running, mate. Seen him, right? Let's get up out of here. Woo! Oh, what? Cracking shots. I don't think they're aiming at me. I'm about to get up out of here. I'm gonna meet up with the crew. So the sound, real good. Visuals, real good. I'm all for controller, man. I'm not really a phone dude, but this is fun. Like I said, if you have any questions, holler at your boy, let me know. I'm gonna do a couple more tests on this thing. See if it runs some of the stuff that I like to play and I like to do on my phone. And also pull out my little, my stand for my Xbox controller. That's my next thing. I want to see on 5G how the Xbox streaming app works, since I'm in a beta program with that. So I want to see how this phone handles that with that extra speed on a 5G network. And see how it handles me playing games, streaming to my phone. So that's my next thing. I'm going to show you that in a minute. Just stay tuned. Look out for that video coming. And yeah, so D, man. And I'll holler at y'all later. Easy.